Hi friends, this is degree third year 5th semester linear algebra paper second unit, and that one important answer problem I am saying. Okay, look at question. In P2 find the change of coordinate matrix from the basis B is equal to 1 minus 2t plus t square, 3 minus 5t plus 4t square, and 2t plus 3t square, okay, to the standard basis. Here c is equal to 1 comma t square. Then find the b coordinates vector for minus 1 plus 2t. Okay, here for this problem we can do in two methods. Okay, now I will say one method, after that second method. Okay, look here. First we will write given beta is equal to 1 minus 2t plus t square, 3 minus 5t plus 4t square, sorry b it is, and 2t plus 3t square. Okay, and c is equal to 1 comma t square. These are the two bases of P2 of F. Okay, first let, here in this question two questions are there. Find the change of coordinates matrix. This is one question, and find the b coordinates. So first question, okay, let b is equal to b1 b2 b3, b1 bar b2 bar b3 bar. Okay, then compare these two, will get b1 bar is equal to 1 minus 2t plus t square, b2 bar equal to 3 minus 5t plus 4t square, and b3 bar is equal to 2t plus 3t square. Okay, now let c1 is equal to c1 bar, c2 bar, c3 bar. Compare these two, then we will get c1 is equal to 1, c2 is equal to t, and c3 is equal to t square. Okay, now there is one formula for us to find the change of coordinates matrix from the basis b to c. So b c, we'll write it as b bar beta, b bar b, b bar b. Okay, this is equation 1. Now look here. First we will take b1 bar equal to 1 minus 2t plus t square, 1 minus 2t plus t square. If you are changing these to b1 bar b, then it will be 1, and this minus 2 will be written here, and this 1 will be written here. Okay, now for b2 bar is equal to 3 minus 5t plus 4t square. Okay, b2 bar of b equal to 3 minus 5 and 4. Okay, next b3 is equal to b3, for b3 2t plus 3t square. b3 bar of b is equal to, here constant not there, so we'll take 0. What is the quotient of t? 2. And what is the quotient of 3 to t square? 3. Okay, like this we will write. Okay, next from equation 1, here from equation 1, P tends to B to, we'll write like this, B to C. Okay, P of B to C is given as that is equation 1, P1 bar B, B bar B, sorry, B1 B2 B3 B. Okay, we'll write the terms, we will write this here. Okay, 1 minus 2 1, and here 3 minus 5 4, and here 0 2 3. We'll make it as one matrix, that is 1 3 0 minus 2 minus 5 2 and 1 4 3. Okay, this is P B to C. Okay, this is first answer. Now look at second. In this second question, find the B coordinates vector for, let, this is second one, let x bar is equal to minus 1 plus 2t. Here minus 1 plus 2t given, so I took it as x bar. Okay, so x bar of C is equal to, we'll take it as in the matrix, t square not there, so 0, t quotient is 2, and constant is minus 1. Okay, now x bar of C is equal to P B to C into x bar of B. Okay, this is the formula, remember this is formula, equation number 2. Here let x bar of B is taken as C1 C2 C3. Okay, we have to take this x bar of B as C1 C2 C3. Now x bar of C is already here, so we'll write minus 1 2 0, and we got P to B tends to C is as 1 3 0 minus 2 minus 5 2, 1 3 0 minus 2 minus 5 2, and 1 4 3. Here C1 C2 C3. Now from equation from 1, I think you know already about matrix. This is multiply rows into columns, rows into columns, these are rows and these are columns. Okay, rows into columns, 1 into C1, 1 C1 plus 3 C2, 0 into C3 is 0 only. Next minus 2 C1 minus 5 C2 plus 2 C3. Next 1 into, close like this and multiply, 1 into C1 plus 4 into C2 plus 3 into C3. Okay, now equal, they both are equal matrices, so we'll write like this, C1 plus 3 C2 equal to minus 1, and minus 2 C1 minus 5 C2 plus 2 C3 is equal to 2, C1 plus 4 C2 plus 3 C3 is equal to 0. Okay, this is equation number 3 4 5. From these three equations we have to find C1 C2 C3 values. Okay, first here C1 is there, I am taking from 3 and 5. Okay, C1 plus 3 C2 is equal to minus 1, C1 plus 4 C2 plus 3 C3 is equal to 0. We'll change the symbol, so it will be cancelled. 3 minus 4 minus 1 C2, sorry C2, minus 3 C3 is equal to minus 1. Okay, if we take minus common, then we will get C2 plus 3 C3 is equal to 1. Okay, this is equation number 6. Now here we'll do from 3 and 5 we took, now we'll take 3 and 4, 3 and 4. To cancel these C1, we have to multiply these with 2. Okay, multiply equation number 3 with 2, then we'll get 2 C1 plus 2 3 is 6 C2 equal to minus 2. Here minus 2c1 minus 5c2 plus 2c3 is equal to 2. No need to change symbol because plus minus is there, so we will take directly cancel. 6 minus 5 is 1c2 plus 2c3 equal to 0. Therefore c2 plus 2c3 equal to 0. This is equation number 7. Okay, now from 6 and 7, c2 plus 3c3 equal to 1, c2 plus 2c3 equal to 0. Change the symbols, then these both will be cancelled. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 c3 is equal to 1. We got c3 value. Substitute this c3 value in 7. Okay, substitute c3 value in 7. Then we will get c2 plus 2 into 1 equal to 0. c2 is equal to minus 2. And now substitute this c2 value in equation 3. Substitute c2 value in equation 3. Then c1 plus 3 into c2. c2 value is minus 2. Minus 2 equal to minus 1. 3 2s are 6. c1 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. c1 is equal to minus 1 plus 6. It will be 5. Okay, this is c1. We got c1, c2, c3 values. So x bar of b is equal to x1, x2, sorry, c1, c2, c3. So c1 value is 5, minus 2, 1 is the answer. Okay, like this you can do. And one more way is also is there, one more process, that is method 2 of this problem. I think that is only easy. Look here, I will explain this also. Here p of c2 b2c equal to b1c b2c b3c given. Okay, we got this answer as 1 3 0 minus 2 minus 5 2 1 4 3. Okay, here for the second problem, x is equal to minus 1 plus 2t given. If we take x as like this, it will be minus 1 2 0. Yes, now we will make argument matrix. Argument matrix is, means we will write this here 1 3 0 minus 2 minus 5 2 1 4 3. In the corner we will take these values. Okay, now we have to convert this matrix into echelon form. To convert this echelon form means these three places should be zeros. Okay, to convert this, first we will take R2. These are the rows, R1, R2, R3. Okay, rows. First we will take R2. R2 tends to R2. Minus 2 is there. To make it 0, we have to multiply R1 with 2. Okay, plus 2R1. Next, for R3, to make it R3 as 0, R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1 0. So R3 minus R1. Then we get this matrix as 1 3 0 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 is 0 minus 5 plus 3 2s are 6 1 2 and 2 minus 0. Next, 1 minus 1 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1 and 3 minus 0 is 3. 0 minus of 1, it will be plus 1. Okay, to make this value as 0, now I am taking R3 tends to R3 minus R2. Okay, to make this value as 0, I am subtracting these row 2 from row 3. Okay, next, row 1 will be as it is 1 3 0 minus 1. Row 2 also as it is Okay, now 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, here 3 is there. To change it, now here 3 is there. To make it 0, we are multiplying r2 with 3, means r1 tends to r1 minus plus 3 is there. If we multiply 3 minus 3 ones are, if we make it like this, then it will be 0. So 3r2, then we will get 1 3 0 minus 1 asterisk 0, sorry, 3 minus 3 is 0, and here 3 2s are 6, minus 6 you will get, and minus 1, 0 1 2 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, now r1 tends to r1 plus 6 r3. To make it 0, plus 6 r3 we are taking. Next, to make this 2 as 0, r2 tends to r2 minus 2 r3. Okay, first we will write r1 1 0 plus 6 is into 0 0 only, minus 6 plus 6 0, minus 1 plus 6, it will be 5, and here 0 1 minus 2 into 0 1, 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 2, and 0 0 1 1. Here we got as unit matrix. So this is the answer. X of b equal to 5 minus 2 1 is the answer. Okay, like this also you can do, and like this also you can find. Which one is easy for you, you can do that one. Okay, thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.